Hello students. Today I will be giving you a brief overview of SolidWorks, a short demo about SolidWorks. What it is. First of all, SolidWorks is widely used in the industries, mostly by mechanical and other related engineers, industrial engineer, mechanical engineer. So it is widely used. You should learn it if it is you are a mechanical engineer or a diploma to anyone. So you should and share with your friends also. You can find my Android application link in the channel description, in my YouTube channel description, and share with your friends also, and tell them also to join this course. And whenever you go for like learn at least two, three software. Like for mechanical, like if you're learning SolidWorks, then learn AutoCAD also. You can learn CATI also. Then only your concepts will get cleared. So at least go for two, three software. And yeah, so I will start today. Uh, one more thing, you will be getting the software also. Like this is a lifetime valid software. Will be- So how I will do the first class after you purchase the course. I will tell you how to. I will guide you how to install from where to install the software. So it is like you will get these things and you will get these details and in the first class. So you need not worry. Just purchase. No extra charges for that. Is purchase the course, share with the friends. See, when you open auto, see, sorry, it was this screen comes. You can see the recent drawings which you have drawn that will show here. See, the recent drawings I have drawn that are showing. See here, these things will be shown. You can open, click on open. Recent drawings are there. See, when you can want to draw a part, modeling or an assembly, modeling or drafting you want to do. So that way also go here also. Here home, this is the home tab. When you go switch to new tab from new also, when you left click on your mouse with new button, the new button see. Same way here, this screen comes. See, these three options are there. When you click on OK, this modeling will start. You want to do part modeling or assembly modeling or drafting. Okay, so select that and click on OK, then that will start. So by from home also. So home tab also go and go click on part. See. Left click on your mouse, click on part. See. This will see this will open. These are the various tabs are there. You will learn all the tabs will be taught how to do it, how to work. See here for sketching. So first of all, to start any sketch, simply click on any of the planes, any of these three planes. Because 2D modeling is on any one plane. So suppose I click on front plane and see when you left click on your mouse with front plane, see this option comes. Then select this sketch. Click on sketch once, left click, mouse with the help, see it. Now you can see this sketch come and it gets activated. See again if you click on exit sketch, this would exit. Again front plane, any plane you can select and click on sketch. See this will start and see you can draw it. See any so these commands you will learn in detail. See the first line you are drawing. See. So these commands will be taught how to draw, how to measure it, to give dimensions and all. These things will be taught to you, so you need not worry. So this is numeric input as on off. See how what these all things will be taught if you time it off in this. Then see you can simply use it. Do join the course, share with your friends. You will learn all the things in detail. So you can find my Android application link in the channel description. So you can purchase from there and yeah, share with your friends also. And hurry up, join fast. Any evening classes also available. Evening batches are also available. So join the course. Okay, thank you for joining. Thank you.